guys, we're all gonna go down. It is Coco's birthday today, my mum, and we're going to say happy birthday. She doesn't have huge plans today. I think just heading out for coffees and dinner and brunch and lunch and just doing her favorite thing, eating out. So we'll go down and say happy birthday to her. So excited. Okay, guys, ready?
Ivy's got the cheese touch.
So well,
Goldie, Ivy's got the cheese touch.
Our yard is looking good. Let's go, Goldie. Coco time. We are. What are you gonna say?
Happy birthday, creaky tile.
Here.
Happy birthday, creaky tile.
Our yard looks amazing. Look at this. Knock, knock. No one's here.
No, you're not in it, it's alright. Not too.
It's probably gonna come out
It's so pretty, isn't it, Gold?
Monday.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. I'm number one. Everybody, I'm number one. We just I'm number one, actually.
Okay, in your seat.
In your seat, guys.
In your seat, guys.
Did you just copy me?
Oh, while we're stopped, I should do my very important, very long beauty routine. It's called mascara and pink lipstick. Now guys, I don't know why it does this. For years my lipsticks end up like this. Can you press the lipstick on the screen? It just ends up like this and I don't know why. Like it's like a little curve.
I don't know, maybe it's just your lips.
Maybe it's the way I put it on, obviously. I have no idea.
Is it like that?
I'm going to meet Coco later on for her birthday. Ivy has her last assembly of grade 6 ever.
Yeah.
And she's acting. Aren't you?
Yeah.
That's not nice. You'll have to do it at your school when you're in grade 6.
Not everyone has to. But we won't have to do that.
Alright, everybody ready? This way.
Guys, assembly was super cute. It was actually Ivy's last. Did I say this? I think I did. Ivy's last primary school assembly. Can I have those papers, please? Mummy cleaned out the car. And we have arrived to meet my mum for her birthday. So it's such a beautiful day, guys. Literally beautiful, sunny. I think it's like 25 degrees. Move to Queensland. These are the days. Every day is like this. But I hope it's nice. They do a really lovely overnight oats here, but I get it every single time. So I think I might even lash out today and have something different. Not sure how long Goldie will last. There's a really big park across the road, so hopefully. Can I have all those papers, please? Winner. Let's go see Coco.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girlfriend.
And Mum.
Yeah.
Where's
Do your
my
eye looks so
journal?
lovely today. You happy with it, beautiful girl?
Yes, beautiful.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
There's a hot dog. Is that a hot dog?
Not really.
Is there
You like it? It's cute. Good? We're back home. My mum really enjoyed that. That was really nice. I stopped at Aldi quickly. We needed something for dinner. I'll show you quickly what we got. We had a whole heap of chicken in the fridge. So I thought that I'd just be easy. I just grabbed a buttered chicken. So I'll make up the butter chicken with chicken, obviously. Then I saw these like naan bread things. I think you fry them up. So yeah, so that looks super easy. 2 milks, a juice, thing of cookies to take for afternoon tea after school. Goldie, she lives on these. She doesn't like sandwiches, so we always just get her some rice crackers, bread, grapes, pasta, and we needed oil. So just like a random...
And also we got milk and another milk and juice.
That's right. Are you feeding your baby? Aww, that's nice. So bummed. Sam was just calling. I don't know if I've said, it's actually so exciting. We bought a new car. Yes, it's literally my dream car. Like, I think I've been saying for years now, I would love a Kia Carnival. You know, the new Kia Carnivals? Guys, we got there. I mean, well, you know, Sam is buying me a Kia Carnival. But because of stupid COVID and like the wait time on everything, and I don't even know why, he just got another email just confirming. Oh, sorry. Confirming that we won't be receiving our new Kia Carnival till May. It's October. We bought it 2 months ago. That's like 9 months. We're gonna have to wait for our new car. Look, honestly, the car we've got is on the way out, and you know, it's done us well, but I hope it lasts that, like, I hope it lasts that long, to be honest. And I don't want to spend any more money on it, but why is it taking so long? I just think that's ridiculous. I heard someone at swimming yesterday say that she was like, oh, we got a new ute for my husband, blah, blah, blah. We had to wait 5 weeks. 5 weeks. I wanted to dive across the bench and be like, May. Like, it's baby girl is going to be like 6 months old when we finally get the car. I don't know. And no, I don't want to sound ungrateful. I am so grateful we're getting a new car. And my dream car, what? We are so excited and I'm so grateful. But I'm just a bit deflated, and so is Sam. He's a bit deflated too, that it's not going to be till May. Better be early, May. I've got it all sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 loads. So that's cool. I'll just you know, plow through it. I'm gonna change all the sheets on our bed. I don't know what the time is. What's the time? 13:28, 1:28. and then we'll go and do pickup. But I might leave it there for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in our next video. And literally just every time I look at this little sweet little corner, I just want to melt. Baby girl, we are ready for you. We are so ready for you. Oh, look, we're kind of matching with our checks. Surely not long. Are you sick of it already? Sorry if you are. It's a big deal, guys. Big noise at our house. Okay. See you guys. I'm gonna pop a baby in here soon. Hopefully. Hopefully. Okay, guys, bye.